Tomorrow is Christmas Day. Get your golden mittens, don't delay. Get your note all written, say I love you to Santa Claus. Thanks for stopping, no more shopping. Christmas Day, take a spin around the Milky Way. Don't you know I want a great big sock to Santa Claus on Christmas Day? Get into your bed because it's almost 3. Leave the milk and cookies underneath the tree. He has that list, he's gonna check it twice. So don't be naughty, just be nice. Christmas Day, now you're heading home on the sleigh. But you know that I'll be right here next to you, Santa Claus, on Christmas Day. I think we can add a trumpet in here. What do you think?
Yeah.
Let's try. Wish I had a trumpet. Maybe I do. Let's try it. So don't be naughty, just nice. Christmas Day, now you're heading homeward on your sleigh. But you know that I'll be right here next year, Santa Claus, on Christmas Day. You know I'll be right here next year, Santa Claus, on Christmas Day. Thank you very much. I enjoyed my time here. Have a wonderful rest of the evening with all our other amazing acts and performers.
Yeah.